Hello and welcome to this video about a warranty repair on this Sony CDP-338ESD. I've sold this unit to a gentleman in Victoria and he reported that the unit rejects CDs. And he tried the different ones and always, when it worked, but it didn't, And after further communications with him, I established that it had nothing to do with CDs, and that the drawer wouldn't sort of close properly. And as some of you know, the reason for this is that the limit switches are dirty. And I was a bit surprised because of course this was a fully serviced unit and by me, and limit switches were cleaned. So I asked him to do another clean and he did, but it sort of didn't work. And it took some time. And he actually sent it back to me. And what I worked out is that when it doesn't work, the whole mechanism that sort of comes up to the bridge with the clamp doesn't rise up. So the tray goes in, it doesn't rise up, and the servo says, okay, we're not gonna burn out the motor and labor it further, and it just spits out the tray, and it looks like this. So it just doesn't come up and goes out. Now we'll do the same thing, but I'll press on that connector there. Put that connector that way. I'll try again now. Yeah. Well, it used to work reliably before. Made a liar out of me. Okay, we'll unplug it and plug it back in again. I'm pretty sure that the fault is on that very plug. You see, now it works. So the fault is there. I've resoldered that area, but what I'll do, because those connectors, they cannot really be re-terminated easily. What is, I don't know how to do it. There's only two pins that are responsible, pin 2 and 3. One is ground, one is voltage. And I can normally extract pins from any other connector, but not that one. It's an insulation displacement method there. And I just cannot get pins out of it, so I'll replace the whole plug and a bit of wiring, and I'll also replace that power op amp, because that is the one that's responsible for driving the tray in and out, just to be sure. So it, just in case it's some weird fault on that, but I'm pretty sure it is a connector there. Well, thank you very much for your attention, and till the next one. Bye-bye.